Hi guys, I am 3.7 hours in on the break-in. This is my new Champion generator. So you know, it started right out the box. I mean, you follow the instructions, put the oil in, hook up the battery, put fuel in, and it started right up. Yeah, it says 3.7. I got to get a 5-hour break in, and I'm good. I'll tell you what, I couldn't be more satisfied, more pleased with this. As you can see, it's fully enclosed. It's the inverter generator for Champion. It's a 5500 watt starter inverter dual fuel. It's closed in all the way around, no exposure. And you can see it's 3.7. I got 1.3 more hours to go, 1.3. And then I'm going to change the oil. And I'll be set. Still running. It's been running for 3.7 hours. So yeah, about 5 o'clock, I guess it'll be about that time. Dual fuel. It'll run on propane or gas. It's got the little connection here for the propane. And it do come with the hose for it. The hose and the valve. All you got to do is plug it in there. It's a quick connect. And I tell you what, I would recommend this. And I definitely would recommend it over any Harbor Freight inverter generator. Oh yeah. It's got the 30 amp. Got the 30 amp RV outlet. It's got two. Now these are 20 amp, not 15 amp. These are 20 amp. 20 amp. And get this. I am so glad they're not. They're not GFCI. They got the breakers on all of them, even the 12 volt. Now the 12 volt, it's just 8 amp, and it's just for use for charging. You don't operate things on that. You don't run anything on the 8 amp 12 volts. You don't run anything on it. It's just for charging. It's got the eco mode. It's got the constant scroll, it's 3.8 now, and it keeps two run times. It keeps the overall run time, and it lets you run, keeps a current run time. In other words, when I stop it off after 5 hours, it's going to keep that 5 hours on the overall run time. It's going to keep that, but it's going to erase the current run time. So when I start it up again, it's going to be 0. It'll let me know how long I run it. The only thing I have with this one is, and I wish it, well, you can't have everything, but if it had a fuel gauge on it. Now, I'm going to read the manual and find out. Maybe it's something on this display here could tell you something. I don't know. I know it's got a low oil light on it. Whenever it's low, it'll come on. But yeah. Oh, and you can we call it co-phasing, but you can parallel this with another generator and get a whopping 50 amps. So 50 or 60, because they're 30 amp each. So, and you can run your whole house on it. So, but other than the fuel thing, I guess you can't have everything, but other than the fuel thing, I am totally satisfied. Totally satisfied. It came with the wheels already on it, the handle on it. It's no assembly required. Absolutely no assembly required. And it's the champion, Global Power Equipment. That's who makes this. And it's got the 1877 number. If you need anything, it's got 2 LED lights. I'd rather have on the top there, I'd rather have a fuel gauge. But yeah, we're going to look into that a little bit, see what's going on there. But hey, look, this is it. Totally satisfied. I can't wait to load it up, see what all I can run on it. I want to I might even have a guy come out to put me a plug, an outside plug, so this thing I can just plug it in. But I am totally satisfied. So there you go.